I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying your account and getting straight into settings so we don't waste time. Open Settings and tap Google. On some phones, it's System then Backup. Once you're in Backup, you'll see a toggle or a backup account listed. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and battery isn't critically low so the phone won't pause changes. You're doing this now to prevent automatic cloud copies. Follow the visible backup account entry to take the next direct step. Now you will disable the actual backup service so data stops syncing. Tap the backup account field and select None or remove the account from backup. On some phones, you must tap Backup to Google Drive and flip the switch off. Make sure to inspect individual items like app data, SMS, and call logs and turn each off if they are listed. Doing this prevents new snapshots. Once done, go back to confirm the master toggle reads off or shows no backup account. Finish by confirming your changes and handling common failures. Reboot the phone and reopen backup settings to verify the master toggle remains off and no backup account is listed. If backups still occur, sign out of the Google account temporarily or go to Google Account Permissions and revoke backup rights for Drive or Backup by Google One. If problems persist, uninstall recent Google Drive updates or consult device support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.